A very good day to all of you. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the fitness and wellness through sports. As we know that we are celebrating the National Sports Day, that is 29th August 2020. We celebrate this on account of birthday of Major Dhyan Chand, who is also known as the wizard or the magician of the hockey, who made the name of India in the world. He played almost from 1926 to 1949, and there are 570 goals in 185 matches. It is rightly said that balanced life is like three-legged stool. Each leg, that is nutrition, fitness and wellness, is necessary to support others. Each leg, if we define nutrition, fitness and wellness, without this we cannot have the balanced life. There are many sayings that health is wealth. Definitely, if we don't have good health, how can we can use the wealth? Each new day is a new opportunity to improve yourself. How? Take it and make it the most of it. Exercise doesn't change our body, but it changes our mind, attitude and also the mood. With this reference, we must emphasize on the exercise part daily. Routine it should be in our life. A person who is fit is capable of living life to its fullest extent. Physical and mental fitness play very important roles in our lives, and people who are both physically and mentally fit are less prone to medical conditions as well. My dear friends, as we know very well, we are passing through the COVID-19, a very crucial time for everybody. The health becomes one of the most important thing in our life. It is more valuable than the choices of our treasures. It is so because without health, the life becomes a burden. A man have enough of wealth, but what to do if you don't have good health? Health is the biggest wealth for human being in his or her entire lifetime. One can survive without excess money, but can't survive without good health. Health is something that we can't buy with money, but we ourselves only can take care of it, and we can cure it when needed with the help of the money. If a person is not having good health, he will not able to use or enjoy his own life in which way he wants. A person is not having good health, the life will become a kind of waste. As I said earlier, money doesn't make a person rich and happy, but good health does. Moreover, a person can't feel complete and happy without good health. If someone wants perfect health, then first of all he or she has to improve the quality of thoughts that generate and occur in their minds. When a person thinks positively, he or she improves his or her own chemistry from within, we can say inside from the body. One should follow many rules and should also sacrifice many things in the daily routines. On the other hand, if a person spends half an hour for the exercise daily, may be able to eliminate toxicity from the body. As my topic is fitness and wellness through the sports, definitely I will remind the indoor games and the outdoor games. In indoor games we have the chess, carom and other things which makes strength our mind. Here physical exercise is not there, but it gives us good pleasure, it gives us happiness. If we talk about the outside games, we have many games like cricket, football, hockey. As we are celebrating the National Sports Day, definitely we must remember the hockey. There are many players who play hockey in India, but it's very bad to say we have not that much advertisement for the hockey with compared to cricket and other games. Friends, at the end I would like to give some suggestions. First of all, to have very good health, wake up early in the morning and do at least half an hour physical and mental exercise, whichever suits to you best. Apart from this, it is necessary for everybody that how to keep fit ourselves. See, we are not that much innocent that we don't know what to do and what not to do. But then also I am telling something to you. Avoid or try to reduce the amount of intake of highly processed or toxic foods per day. The easiest way is to increase water consumption on a daily basis. See, we have observed that people generally don't consume waters like that doctors suggest. We must take nowadays, during COVID-19 we must consume the at least warm water that suits to our body. Along with this, definitely I would say we must avoid the cold drinks. Even cold water we have to avoid from our fridge, right? There are cold drinks which contains the artificial sugar in it, which gives us not which gives us nothing, we can say. Generally it is also emphasized that we must eat the vegetables, green vegetables, that can be helpful to provide our body our good health or some power, nutrition or immunity increases it. It is also observed that we are very punctual, or we are very habituated to get the dairy products which contains sometimes not good for us. The elements which it contains, they are not good for us. One more time I will say that don't eat the food or the fast foods daily in excess quantity. Definitely we can go for pizzas and burgers, but once in a month or twice in 2 months we can say. Yes, we have to spend more and more time in thinking positively for our life, and definitely we'll take some steps towards the fitness, and this fitness can be achieved or acquired through the exercise. Exercise is the main part that keeps your body fit and that brings good thoughts in your mind. So finally I would like to say that let us take an oath that from today onwards, if we are not doing, and if we are doing regularly the exercise, we'll continue it. But if we are not doing, from tomorrow onwards we'll definitely have the exercise at least for 30 minutes in a day. So I wish a very happy National Sports Day in the memory of Major Dhyan Chand. So thank you very much everybody. Good day to all of you. Thank you very much.